guys. Are you saying hi, Lani Boo?
Hi.
Hi. So today I got my hairstylist here. She is giving me a nice cut. So I am here. She is combing my hair into a nice style, guys. It's gonna be bomb when it's finished, when she's done with this hair. She's the baddest stylist in the Westmoreland area, right? So I am here. Was editing. I'm actually uploading a video. I'm uploading one for this channel, the main channel, and I'm also uploading a video for my beauty channel. The guys are outside idling. As you can hear, they're popping the bamboo gun. That's what they're out there doing, and they're also loading the deck because it's decking time, guys. It is decking time. We are finally at decking. We have reached our goal. So I am very much excited because, like I said, I manifested this. For everything that has happened so far, I have manifested into our life, and let me tell you, I am just so grateful that we've gotten to the point where we have reached, you know. So, and God has been very good to us. That's all I can say. He has been great. I know, like, for a lot of people, going through this pandemic, it's been very hard for a lot of people. Like I said, with this pandemic, it's been a blessing and it's also been a curse, right? But I cannot complain. We have had our downs during the pandemic, and we've also have our ups. And out of the amount of downs we have had, that you guys, we have not disclosed with you guys certain things that has happened with our family behind the scenes. we have had our ups as well, and I am just grateful for where we are and where we've come and what we have accomplished since we have been home within the last few months.
Movie begin. Please remember, Saturday is my birthday and me still not receive no money. and me really in need of it. So I'm begging you, if you're a real fan, send me. I'm not good enough price range, but send me higher than $5.
What is that? $5 Jamaican or $5 US?
$5 in a US. What me I go to Jamaica? $5. $5 hotel only can buy what ice cement. But I'm not doing that, man. I'm not doing it right. I'm soon. Hurry up, man. I joke, I'm not bad enough. I'm not do that.
Oh yeah, you guys heard the birthday girl. Yes, it's also Giselle's birthday this weekend coming up. Oh my gosh, she is turning the big 17. Right, Lani Boo?
Yes.
She's turning the big 17. So I assume Lani's gonna do her hair, right? Cause Lani's the bad style. So yeah, I am just here. The guys are outside, and I just figured that I would pick up the camera. We haven't been doing too much today, so this is the reason why I have not really vlogged. I just been here editing. The backside, she gonna get comb and brush. So this is just like literally a chill day. It's a chill day. But I also wanted to come and say I hope you guys, Mother's Day has been well past, but I hope everybody enjoyed their Mother's Day. And thanks to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the Williams fam. And thanks for all my OGs that's been rocking with us from day one. Thank you guys for sticking around. We appreciate the love and support. I'm gonna make Rissa take you guys outside and show you guys what is up, because my hairdresser is doing my hair and I cannot get up right now. I gotta make sure my hair is slayed, and I will show you guys the beat look when it's done. because she's back here doing her thing. So I'm gonna make Krista show you guys what the guys that are out there doing. They built a ramp out of bamboo and
Okay. Let's go to Dad first. Dada and Janai. Then I get stone. Up on the ramp. Oh, so they connect it and then Jenna run up. Run, run! Uncle Rana and Daddy over there, so I get more stone for the house. It is beautiful on top of there. It's different but beautiful. It looks weird because the piping and there's no walls like on the bottom. Okay. Woo! Let me get this. The ramp, Dad and Jana made it yesterday. It's bamboo and they nailed it into wood. Uncle Run's coming with the other what is it called again? I think it's called a wheelbarrow or a wheel axe. I don't know what it's called again. But Uncle Run's coming up with the stone. Daddy's the digger. You have to connect it to it. Uncle Run up there pulling it too. Run, Uncle Run, run!
Okay. Ask my mama go and run a kitchen. Hey boy.
He's gone.
I said him asleep.
Wow, okay. Run, run, run! Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'm better asleep, man.
And then you're gonna go all the way over there to put the stone. It's just so cool how it's just cool how our house has nothing built up like this with the walls and the pipes, wires and steel and stuff. It's just different, but nice. Hi, Lanya. Hi. Hi, Lanya.
Guys, so there is the fit. Miss Lanya Boo did a good job. You see, she doesn't even favor house. Look how high she is. Alright, so this is what is taking place. As you can see over there, the electrical piping and everything was done. Not sure if I showed you guys. And so now they did all the sand. So now then I put on the stone and then they gotta bring up the drum. So they say, ow! Ow, who just licked me with this stone? Hey!
What you doing up here, Lanya?
They say, Lanya, brave around you run.
Come up here. Don't run, you know. Hey, hey, hey. Don't run, walk.
Yes, Lanya brave. Karin, you now come up. All I'm doing from morning, so this is the reason I didn't vlog too much. because it's just more like a chill day and just prepping for the casting of over there. And Mr. Williams is still running from the back wall. He's still running from it, but after that he don't have no chance of running from it. After over there get cast, he's gonna have to do it or try and see if he can do it before him cast it. Memphis, they cook. Memphis, they cook. So you're not gonna have to change it out. You have to go change out the cylinder. So now they gotta figure out whether they're gonna cast in the morning or at night. I feel like you pull goat. So I don't get skill. So I am tired. I was just helping to load the stones them on in the barrel with Mario and stuff as the guys then pull it up. I went to go help, so at least it would have been less stuff. But I am exhausted.
Storage because I have.
Yeah. Oh gosh. One advice I can give to people: when you guys are buying products and you are getting products, make sure if you know how much yard is supposed to like in your stone, you know, if you get like 1 yard of stone or whatever, one, just know your arm numbers. So, and count your stuff them down to your blocks that you guys get from people. And this is not for people that are just living out here. These are people that are overseas and you're building. You need to know, because you have some of these people that you're buying material from and you're spending tons of money, hundreds of dollars, and getting these material, and they're shortening your material. Right now the material that we got the last time, we got sand, right, from somebody where we got sand from, right, the material company. They short our sand, and you know, we let that slide, and this is not the first time they short our material, and we do it again, and now we're stone short, right? So you guys need to make sure you count. And it was like the same thing when we had got our blocks. If we didn't count our blocks the other day, we wouldn't have known that you order 500 blocks and yet we were missing some, right? So, well, we were missing about 100 of them. So you make sure you count your things them, because you see these people, like, you guys got to understand that people work hard for their money, and when people work hard for their money, you don't play, because you have some serious people out there, you know, that when they count them stuff and realize someone continuously shorting and stuff. This is the reason why when I tell you, say, in life they always say karma is a B, and me always believe in what goes around in life comes around in life. That's why me never try to short nobody in a life or do anybody anything bad, because me always at the end of the day, me have to remember I have my life, me have my husband and my kids them to live for. So me always try to walk good and do good in life. But you see, when you have some people feel like they can go around the system and short people and stuff, so sometimes when you see people drop out, right, you wonder why, and you wonder what that person do to somebody. But sometimes people short people things, or them owe people things, right, and they don't want to pay up, and when certain things reach people, then those same people did say if they did know, they wouldn't have done what them done, but it already done too late, because you don't know how serious a person is. This is why me never understand, me always believe in, what you don't like for yourself, you don't do it to others. And that's something that me very strong on. What me not like for myself, me not do it to nobody. If me owe somebody something, me go make sure me find a way to pay that person, right? If me take material from somebody and them expecting about this amount, a yard or a length or whatever the hell is amount of material, me gonna make sure me give them the right amount of material, because you know what, me no want nobody shot me for me things them. But they always say in the life, you know, what goes around comes around, right? So, but I'm sitting here cooling off for a second, and then I'm going to go shower because I don't want to get sick because I just come out of the heat of loading stuff like that. But I need to go bathe and get myself ready for bed and go eat dinner. So, but me I will go shower just now because your girl is hot and tired, and I'm sweating out my nice hairstyle that my hairdresser, you know, hairdresser Lanya do up for me. So I'm sweating out my nice hairstyle. Oh gosh, but yeah, just one thing I just wanted to say, like in life, treat everybody the way you'd want people to treat you. You know, I believe in fairness. Always believe in fairness. They say give to Caesar what due to Caesar. I believe in it.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You